welcome back. So we're through with adding the key. The next thing is to remove this for checkpoint data. We delete all the hash. You delete it, you have to leave only one. You delete the hash in it. And make here 0. Then you have to get from this transaction, chain transaction data, you have to add the import time. Delete this TX rate and add 0 to it. Delete the transaction count, add 0. Then for the epoch time, from the time, you change that epoch converter. Go to epoch converter. Epoch converter. Okay. epochconverter.com. Then copy the present time, close, and change this particular epoch time. You go up, change this particular one here. So right now our mainnet chain is ready. We've already changed the PXZ timestamp, so everything has been changed, and you've added your own parameters. So everything has been changed in the main testnet. So you can close it, just save, Ctrl X, yes, and enter. So we are done with the chain parameters for now, but later on we will change out of the testnet and the reg testnet also. We'll have to change that later on in the course of this tutorial. So the next thing we'll do is to check our chain parameter base, which we'll look into in the next video. Continue to subscribe to my channel while I upload new videos